widely heard.
Peacocks. Rainbow superpower. A peacock's shimmering tail feathers, called a train, aren't just pretty, they're science magic. The colors come from tiny structures in their feathers that reflect light, like a living rainbow prism. Fancy fashion show! Male peacocks fan out their tails to impress females. It's like wearing a giant sparkly cape. Their train can grow up to 6 feet long, taller than most grown-ups, and has up to 200 feathers. Secret ninja feet. Peacocks might look fancy, but they're tough too. They have sharp spurs on their legs to fight off predators, like tiny swords hidden under their feathers. Loud and proud! Peacocks don't just show off with their feathers. They scream too. Their loud honking calls can be heard from 2 miles away. Imagine yelling loud enough for your friend across town to hear. Royal symbols. Peacocks are national birds of India and symbols of beauty and pride in many cultures. In ancient stories, their eyes on the feathers were said to watch over people like guardian angels. Bonus fun fact, despite their huge tails, peacocks can fly. They flap their wings to soar up trees or rooftops to escape danger.